We will take a closer look at user interaction and user event management, and we will take a look at the very important concept of state in React applications. But for the moment, in the application we have built and with the knowledge we have gained so far, we can only build static applications where the state never changes and where we always produce exactly the same thing. You want to have applications that are interactive so that they can react to user click and user input, that are reactive so that the application also exchanges when certain things happen. In this course module, we are going to look at handling user events such as clicks, and then we are going to look at how we can make sure that what's visible on the screen changes and that we can reach a different target state. And to do that, we are going to look more closely at the concept of state. We are going to learn how we can manipulate state and move from state A to state B if we can. And in general, in this section, we're going to learn more about some key concepts.